In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Canva. A strong background sets the tone of any design. Whether you are working on a presentation, a social post, or a flyer. In Canva, you can do this in two simple ways. By changing the background color, or by setting an image as the background. I'll walk you through both so you can pick the look that fits your project. Start by opening your design in Canva, so the canvas you want to edit is on the screen. Once it loads, you are ready to change the background color. Click directly on the existing background of your design. If something else is highlighted, click on an empty area until the background is selected. Look to the top toolbar for the color tile. It's the small square showing your current color. Click it to open the color panel. From here, you can choose a new color for a clean, minimal style, or pick a gradient for more depth and dimension. Canva applies your choice instantly, so you can preview how it affects the overall balance of your design. Keep an eye on readability. Your text, icons, and logos should stand out with enough contrast. Gradients can be especially helpful when you want a subtle transition behind headlines without distracting from them. If you prefer a textured or photographic background, you can set an image as the background. Grab an image from your uploads or browse within the Elements tab on the left. This section includes photos, textures, and patterns that work well behind content. Drag your chosen image onto the canvas so it appears in your design. Then click the image and select Set Image as Background. The image will snap to the edges and fill the entire page, creating a polished, full bleed look. This approach is perfect for atmosphere and context. Think soft textures behind quotes or a thematic photo that supports your message. Choose images with a simple composition or open space so your main content remains clear and legible. If the option isn't visible, make sure the image itself is selected before opening the menu. You can switch between a solid color, a gradient, and an image at any time. Try a color or gradient for a crisp, branded feel, and use a background image when you need visual interest or storytelling. The goal is to enhance your content, not compete with it. That's it. Thanks for watching.